Quad witching.
And if you see 4 witches show up at your house, close the blinds, get your garlic out. Crosses. I don't know how that works. I think it's for vampires.
And today's volatility is 190. And remember, for most of our newer members, we don't want you trading for the first 6 minutes.
Yeah. The tick started super low, guys. Expect to push up and a big sell off. Oh, did we say prepare to be amazed? Those of you on trial, some of you already know the drill. Prepare to be amazed. Sit back, relax, watch what's going on. No trading for 6 minutes. If you are an avid trader and you're on trial with us, we do ask if you are compelled to try to follow along with the trades. Do it in sim, do it in paper trade. Anybody who's just joined us within your first couple of weeks, at least month, should be in sim until you get an approval to go to cash from a coach, or you are logging your own trades and consistent enough to prove to yourself that you can be in cash.
Or after the 6 minutes, if you guys are watching here, our next resistance point, guys, is 30,815. And get up there, we'll look to short again. I'll keep that posted for you. Sure you can see where we get that, right? Prior support that was broken, now is resistance. Also, what's our volatility today? $190, yeah. So that means we estimate the swings could be up and down by 190 points. Yeah, see, Robert caused that. He started. He made more than the volatility. We love it. Be amazed. Remember, no trading for the first 6 minutes.
Oh man, I'm short.
Yep. Well, you're allowed to. You've got permission.
That are allowed to. You guys that are allowed to took the first touch rule here, I'm assuming, right?
Yeah. I mean, right off, guys, right off the pivot level, great short.
Fantastic short.
Mm-hmm.
Did you guys take that? Those of you that are allowed to, did you take that short? Now, the cool thing is if we keep our consistency up between the 6 and 7 minute mark of opening, there will be a trade typically.
Look at Coach.
Amazing.
I listened. You said short. I said short. You said look to short a rally, and that's what I did.
You said that.
Well, we both said that. And anyone else said that? I think Robert said that too. Everyone who understands markets said that, right, guys?
Right. Who else short right now? You guys have permission. Who's short? Robert is.
Mm-hmm.
Coach Tara probably is. Ann doesn't have permission, but Chanel can do it. Good job. Dean, you're on trial still. I thought you were joining, Dean. Anyway, happy to have you. Bill's got it. Good job, guys. Ken,
Yeah,
how did you get
Heather, yeah, your internet went down?
Must have lost internet.
Well, that was for profit. Yeah. You did get some profits though, right? Yeah, exactly. Yeah, no, that's fine.
Okay, good. 6 minutes are up. And conveniently enough, you guys should have a little rally here to short. You can do what I say or not. Doesn't matter. Don't care. Make money, don't make money. It's all up to you.
Yeah, you want to short on these high tick reads, guys. High tick read short.
The high tick read today is negative 300 so far.
Yeah.
That's getting to zero. There you go.
Just going to refresh the screen. Be right with you guys.
Guys, you can enter this with 16 tick rule. Just wait. Be patient.
There you go. Remember, don't ever think, I can't take a trade because I'm missing out on this great opportunity. Wait for your setup.
Just look, Glenn, 16 tick rule right now. When it happens, you can go short. If you don't know 16 tick rule, go watch the video. When it happens now, you go short. That's simple. I mean, this is a support area too, isn't it, Coach? You're being crazy this morning. Trading Dog's been going nuts this morning. Did we lose, Coach? There was the.
All right. No. No, I'm saying put your limit order, Glenn. Yeah, at 8817, right? You heard that, right? And if you can't get filled there, when it starts coming down, you can jump in. The clown car will alert you.
The clown car.
Hey, you could put a sell stop at 7:15. I'm short. I anticipated the 7:15 break. You could add at 7:15, guys. Obviously, we didn't get filled at 8:17.
And
add at 7:15.
had you guys followed what I asked, there was a perfect 16 tick rule at 9:40.
And then just trail
30
your stop.
seconds.
Great call, Coach. Take some off. Take some off, you amazing traders. Those who are amazed, take some profits.
Those of you who want to make money,
7:01 next target.
follow instructions. Who actually took the short, the 16 tick rule short? I told you guys to do it when it happened.
I did it. I
Good
even
job,
anticipated doing it.
Nice job. And you guys are in profits now then, right?
And the rest of you just, there you go. Glenn got it. See, Glenn? By putting a sell limit at 8:17, it gave you something to do. And then you say, wow, this market's weak. It's not going to even give me my fill. Then you jump in. Perfect setup. That's how you do it. And you actually, you root for the market to go up in a downtrend, right? You got to be crazy, right? Why would you do that? There's another target.
Crazy.
Lower your stops now. Lower your stops, people. Final target will be 658. Which, of course, is our famous cucaracha trade.
Hey.
Right off Coach's, like you said, 16-10. All right. Look at that, 758, right?
I got filled at 7:48.
Okay, then your cucaracha trade will be 40.
No. It's got to be somebody
59.
else.
Yeah.
It's got to be whoever the lowest is in the room.
That's true. That's true.
Who was the highest fill? Who got the highest fill, guys? 758. Who did anybody get filled higher than that? No? Okay. 758 it is then.
All right.
Who was that person that got at 658 it is? Who got in at 758? You had to be lightning fast.
I think Hugo did because that was his signal there. I was looking at that
The signal got me in at 740. It must have been slippage on the.
Wait a minute. Hold on a second.
Literally got me in at 748.
Hey, stop fighting. Cats are here fighting. Oh, my thing
Good
disconnected.
job, Heather. Good job, Glenn. Yeah, you guys should probably be flat now, unless you have a few contracts.
You're right. It fired 748.
That's what I got filled at
Yep.
in my cash account with the auto trader on, filtered for only short trades.
I mean, I got personally filled. I was estimating where the thing went off. You're right. It was filled. Get out of here. Excuse me a second. Right. You get out. Right. Here. Go out there. You stay in here. In any event, guys, everybody should be flat. Wait for the next signal. I got filled at 746, but I thought the system went off there at 58. But no, you're absolutely right.
Nope, there was definitely the signal probably went off at like 753.
Yeah, here it is. I was just looking at the. I was watching the tape and actually jumped in, but you could see it right there, guys. That yellow line, and it went below there. I was looking as soon as it dropped, as soon as this one started dropping below the JTHMA, and then right here, you see that? That's where I was looking at. So no biggie. Everybody's took that trade, right? What's a couple of ticks among friends? Now the next resistance. Well, 817, I'd have to say I can't find anything. I'm getting another signal now.
Yep.
Yeah.
Probably want to let it go up just a little bit more before.
Yeah. Wait for the ticks to be 0 at least. That's what I'm going to do, guys. It is a signal that's fired, but I'm trying to coordinate that with the ticks. I want 0 or higher tick read.
Trying to keep you guys safe.
Yeah, we're talking about this one, Craig. That's a good question. It's really one of our methods we teach in class. We've just tried to have you go program it. You see that red arrow? See, the red arrow knows better than I do. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go short at the market and add at 760, guys. All right. I'm going to short it at the market. I've shorted one at 731, and I'm going to add one at 760. And we'll still use that 659 as a target.
Guys, listen, I keep getting messages from people who are standard membership saying, my ATM's not working right. I keep getting stopped out. I keep doing this. Guys, there's a reason why we have a coaching level. There's a reason why we have class. If you're going to send me a message, my reply is going to be, at least sign up for class for a month. It's $299 for 1 month. If that keeps you from getting stopped out 6 times, do you think it's worth it? Let me see. What's your average stop out? Is it over $100? My math would be $600 minimum in stop outs. If you're using an ATM or whatever, get some coaching, guys. That's what we have that option for. We want to help you. But if you think that we're going to be able to just stop in the middle of our day and help you for free, that's silly, guys. You guys know how these things work. Coaches have to get paid, and it's a business, and we have an option. $299 is not a lot for you to get. You actually get 2 one-on-one coaching sessions. You get to go to group coaching with me. You get to go to class. So if you do that for a month and it gets you set straight, then go back down to $99 for a standard room membership. But we've got to help the people that are actually paying for coaching. Those people come first, and I don't mean that to sound like a jerk, but you see all the people with the badges next to their name making money, that elite, the mentorship badge, the pro badges. Those people actually do well and follow the trades. They're not sending me private messages saying I'm getting stopped out every 6 seconds. No.
Okay, guys, I don't want to interrupt, but
we are
short at 760, right? You heard me put a sell limit at 760, correct?
Yeah,
okay, good. I hope you're short at 760. Thank you, Coach. I'm sorry for interrupting.
No, I'm just going on a rant because
I know. I was going to say the same. Here's what I was going to add to that. What is your tell? I tell you what. We'll help you out for $25 if your lawyer will help me out for $25. I do have a legal question. We'll do it equal. You pay your lawyer, and I'll pay you that rate. We'll see what happens. 96, another target right here.
There you go.
And I'm shooting for 59, which would be 101 points. We'll see. Lowering my stop to break even. How many people are short?
I am.
Good. We usually rant once a day at least. Yeah, yesterday it was at Tony.
A little rant.
I was going bananas at Tony.
You were throwing bananas.
And we're trying to help you guys, really. We're trying to be realistic and help you. Coach and I, we talked about this, Cindy, that we could sit on our own and trade and never even cross paths and make money. That's what we did for a living, trading. We come together to form a trading club.
The Trading Wizard and the Sorcerer Supreme come together to give you amazing trades every day.
Right.
You get stopped out at 26 because you don't know how to manage your stop or what a swing point is. We will help you, but guys, there's only so much help. We got hundreds of people here, hundreds. Who do we help first? The one that actually says, "Hey, coach, I'm going to pay you for a month to coach me," or the one that says, "I want coaching for free and I'm going to pay $99."
Yeah.
We got, Coach Wilbur's going to help, or Coach Sarah, or Robert, or whoever it is going to help the person that actually says they're going to commit to it. That financial commitment is not just for us. It's for you to say, "Hey, yeah, I'm committed to getting good at this."
Good job, Hugo.
Good job, guys.
Mm-hmm.
Nice. Nice job, Heather.
Yeah. Did I get my 817 target? No. The market's a little weaker than that. So what? So we get it. 760 is still not a bad entry point. I would love to have had it at 817, and I'd already be up 100 points. But guess what? You have to go with what the market gives you.
I just keep shorting these rallies while I'm got that core position I've been holding overnight.
Yeah, the core position looking pretty good.
It's looking great.
Pay for pizza tonight.
My cost basis just keeps going up and up and up and up and up. Love it.
Coach can feed the the residents of St. Petersburg for pizza.
Finish paying off that freaking surgery for Bentley.
Yeah.
I'm just kidding. I paid for it in cash. It did knock in my Aspen budget though.
Yeah. Well, we do take care of our pets. Pets listen, at least. If you ask Bentley, say, "Hey, go fetch," he doesn't say, "Well, wait, I don't understand, Coach. Why did you want me to fetch? Can you show me how to fetch first?" Dogs learn faster than people. My final target, guys, as you know, is what? If you want to hear cucaracha, you have to get that final target. Cats have their own mind. Yeah, they want to fight. They want to fight. This is all about inflation, guys. This market is all about inflation. Have a good weekend, Rad. Just hang around for the cucaracha song. That's all. And then you can go.
Have a great weekend, Rad.
Beautiful, Marlon. Thank you. Yeah, glad to see that. I know, there is no inflation. It's like aliens. No such thing as inflation. There is inflation in your guys' bank accounts, hopefully. Yeah, Bigfoot. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, Mr. Market. Lower your stops here, buddy. Well, next time do it for cash. You're available pretty soon. Nothing wrong with cash. We'll take you to the promised land. Everybody still short?
We are short. We are going for 100. 747 fill on this one, 748 on the last one. Whoa. Whoa. Boom. And that's football. Did this say cockroach pizza? I'll tell you what, guys, those of you who do want help, send your trade logs in.
Now you can do your trade logs, your emails,
Send your trade log.
feed your
Brad,
cats. order
Brad, send me your
pizza.
trade log for the past 2 weeks. I'll help you out. Why
Now
am I
you can
saying that?
complain. Any complaints? Now we're ready for complaints because we're happy. Now's the best time to complain that you didn't get that trade. Come on, let's go. I'll say, oh, now we're going to be nice. Come on, you get
Wait,
one chance.
Coach, I still got one more thing to be not super nice about.
All right.
Because I know this person didn't do it. If you send me your trade logs, you send me a private message. If you send me your last 2 weeks trade log, I will help you out. I'll do a personal coaching session with you. And the reason I know that I'm not going to do a coaching session is because I know you didn't do a trade log. So if you don't want to help yourself, I don't want to help you. Do your trade logs, people. All right. I'm going to stop yelling now.
Yeah. All right. I'm trying to think. Let's see. Where's my friend Tony? Tony, are you here?
Oh no.
I'm gonna make sure he made money today. He's been quiet. All right. Did you get that trade, Tony? The cucaracha trade.
I'm short again.
All right. But pretty good. Good job, Tony. See, you're on the winning path. You're welcome, Chanel. Thank you. Yeah, and it's not about me being right or coach being right or who's wrong. We make money trading, and our whole philosophy is this is teachable. This is not fast twitch muscles, where, there are certain people, a kid can take 6 months off. He goes to the gym, stretches and he does 110 seconds. It's like, whoa, natural chemistry. You don't need that kind of, you don't have to be Rain Man. I just called out that trade, Craig. I said go short at 760 with a 659 target. I did that clarify it? Go short at 760. And also, do you remember me calling out the trade? 817, put a sell limit if it doesn't get there and hooks down. Correct. We don't call it out because after a while, all right, I have a great question. I can call out trades. By the way, I do have for my institutional clients where we actually have our trading platforms out there with the sell orders and buy orders. Do you have $50,000 a month to pay for that service? No. We have people that do that. Okay. So you get the stripped down version, because if I did anybody here for $500, the other guys would be pissed off, and I'd need a hell of a lot of clients to make up for that. So and the other thing, seriously, do you want me? Would you prefer? And you have a real good question. It's been asked of me since 2006. Let's say you ask, what's our trading method? And I say, it's proprietary, but I'll make the trading calls. That means you need me for the rest of your life. Would you rather me teach you the setups? And how about you becoming a coach 6 months from now and teach somebody? So the real question is, does our method work? And that, don't believe me, I wouldn't believe me, believe our clients. Ask the 212 people on most of them, 94% of our clients are making money. That's why we get pissed off at the 6% for some reason, go off the reservation. So stay with us for 1 month. That's why we have that nice little trial for less than. How many contracts do you normally trade? Okay. How many points in a stop do you use normally? Okay. So you risk about $400 on a bad trade if it really goes terribly against you at the worst case scenario. You're not going to risk more than $400, correct?
200.
200. That's right. Yeah, 20 points. Sorry. Okay. For half that, you could stay with us for a month and see if we deliver what we promise.
For $100 more than that, you can get coaching.
Yeah, we can show you our whole methods. You can watch the videos and everything else. Yep. The YouTube is there as a teaser. It's to show you that we're real. But no, I did call that trade. I posted it. Right? How many guys, how many of you, here, ask the clients, how many of you heard I said I'm shorting at 731, adding at 760, and my target is Cucaracha.
And that is why I give a disclaimer, and I didn't do it. My bad this morning, guys. Everybody on trial, everybody knew when you hear numbers said in the room, you need to write them down at the very least. Write them down. And you'll say, oh, he did say that number only about an hour ago.
Yeah. And here's my other problem, Craig. And it's not a problem. It's real. We have different groups of traders. You already told me you trade 2 contracts and all that. And that's good. That's a nice size. You can make a living doing that. However, think of it this way. I'm short. Taking one off here. I got short at 817. I forgot all about that. I had a limit order at 817. We have all different groups of traders, okay? We have some traders who will trade scale up 20 to 40 contracts, and we have others who are trading micro minis, and they're going to use a 25-point stop. My bigger clients do not use 25-point stops. So how could I make one call for everybody? And that's the biggest problem. So we actually have private coaching, and you get your system. All right. Does that help? I'll tell you what I'm doing, but like we trade before the open. Coach and I will trade before the open. Here, take another one off if anyone shorted at. Now, you heard that one, 817, right, Craig? To go short, put a limit order at 817, right? Yeah. So I just got filled. So again, does everybody do it? Probably not. Now your stop, guys, should go to 805. So lock it in. 805 is your stop. But the method works. It really does. That's a cat. Get over here. All right. Okay. Did I answer your question, Craig? And I have one other thing, which is you're going to like too. We're working on this indicator. You see this thing right here? That one of our clients is programming. You see this red dots and all that? That you won't need me to call out one of our setups. This is the 15 range trading method. You'll have it on your computer. So if I'm stopping my cats from fighting, you'll see it and decide, oh yeah, there's a sell signal. So that'll address that. I hope you can join us and prove it to yourself. If not everybody believes us.
We're here to help.
Yep.
We are. I believe you guys that are members of the group. I believe we're pretty generous in what we do and help out in just the main trade room, aren't we? Glenn can say so, right?
Good job, Glenn. Good job, Chanel.
Good job, Chanel. We do help. We're generous. We help. We want people to be successful here. We're not yelling at people just to yell at people. Oh, except for Misty. I'll yell at her just to yell at her.
We're bullies. We like to pick on people.
We'll pick up Misty.
And it is witching day, guys. By the way, to explain, I was going to answer now you know the answer, Randy. Randy's this is a setup question, right? I assume, or you don't know. Either way, I'll explain, but I think you know.
You
don't
Ken.
know?
Oh, come on. You know why.
Randy, come on. Oh. Guess. Hold it. No, but don't help Randy. Nobody help him, please. He knows. Look at your notes, Randy. We discussed this. Look at your notes.
You got it, Randy. Come on, Randy. Everybody cheer for Randy. He can do it.
Randy.
You got it, Randy.
Did the market hit 700?
All right, fine. Every morning I'm going to start asking you guys to tell me how good I am so I can make me feel good about myself for the day.
Did the market hit 700 on this pullback? Right? We said that would be support, right? That was one of them. And then 659 also, right, guys? Everybody see a triple bottom here?
Nope, just see three witches.
So, Randy, add 190 to 627. What do you get? Come on, you're an engineer. You can figure this out. 817.
Math is fun.
I mean, if you want to make the exact bottom, anybody the exact low was what? Guys, the exact low. Is 636, right? The exact low is 636. Add 190 to it. You get 826, right? Now, why didn't I wait to have it go up to 826? I wanted to front run the resistance, right? How many people know that 826 is resistance? Everybody in this room, right? Do you think any money managers somewhere else know that too? Who thinks maybe I'm not the only one with that secret? Maybe Linda Rasky knows. Maybe Bill Fletcher knows. Maybe Sirhan knows, and he's trading from prison. Everybody knows. So we want to front run them. Maybe John Carter knows. So we want to front run those guys. Make sure we get in before they do. That's all. That's why I picked 817. Plus, if you were watching overnight, which Coach did, Coach Brian actually sent me a private message before the market opened. He said, look at that support at 817. I'll show you when he sent that.
I actually had a line on my chart already.
Yeah. And I believe Coach Tara called that here. So let's look at the support of 817 in here before. How many people see this 817 support earlier? I don't mean when I was sleeping then. Coach wakes me up and so it looks like this 817, if it breaks, I think it's going down. I said, ooh, I'll be right there. And an hour later, I show up. No, seriously, though, did it break? Did 817 support and even lower break? Yes. Do you think that's resistance? That whole area, 817 to 880. Sure, that whole support area came tumbling down. So do you think it might be a resistance point later? That's all.
I've never heard of support becoming resistance. What is
Yeah.
a new idea you speak
A
of?
new idea. We invented it. We'll take credit for it. It's like you've ever heard of the bear flag? Yeah, we invented that name. And the Fibonacci.
Yeah.
Fibonacci is a coach. He's a little old now and he's sleeping, but yes, we do have Fibonacci here.
He's like Rumpelstiltskin.
You know, people believe it. I mean, it really, if some guy puts it on the internet, I'm Fibonacci's grandson. They'd, oh yeah, wow, I'm going to go into your room. All right. Any questions? Seriously. Is everybody green and done for the morning at least right now? If it's on the internet, it's got to be true. So that's how we got it, Randy. Okay. Were you able to get some of that trade? Or the 761 earlier. All right. That's all you need. One or two of those trades. Good job, Tony. How many people are done for the morning? Good job, Randy. Stuart. Spy. Good job, Spy. Claude. Robert's been done. Love it.
Lots of gavels. Way to go, guys.
Yeah.
Go.
Sakasa.
Sakasa. The LTC Sakasa.
Sakasa's in sell mode again. This time from 860.
I am short. Hopefully you guys know that. Did say I was going to take this in break a little while ago. Did so.
The last trade is right here, Drew. The last one I took was to short at 817. But I'm done for the morning right now.
Did take the M trade short. Have
Nice.
2 contracts left. And I will be flat in a second.
I'm going to do this on a sim right now, though, but I've got a high tick short, high tick read short forming here at 820.
Oh, by the way, Tim, I had a chance to go through the rest of your spreadsheet. I must send it to Coach. Your trade log. It's just amazing, buddy.
So anything above 820 is a short. These high ticks, guys. You want to short on these high tick reads.
3,600 ticks in 3 weeks.
Wow.
That is like almost 8,000 ticks for Tim in 6 weeks.
Yikes.
That's feller that follows instructions right there, ladies and gentlemen.
And then if you go short, cover when ticks are like minus 450. And this is what I mean by ticks, people.
I'm going to tell you guys something. If you haven't reached out to Coach Tara for coaching, you probably should. She is amazing, and she is a heck of a lot nicer than me, Coach.
Take some off here, guys. If you're short, 830, 840 or so, and those high ticks, 820 below this now, take your profit, take your profits. Trail your stops. Anybody grab it? High tick retrade. Good job, Paul. Good job, Chad.
As a matter of fact, anybody that's a trade room only member, a standard member, I would urge you to reach out to Coach Tara. Absolutely urge you. Reach out to Coach Tara. She has made a promise that if you fill out a trade log, she will give you a coaching session. Those of you guys that need help and you're a trade room only member, thank Coach Tara for that. She is being extremely generous, and she wants to help people.
Okay, you got another high tick read right here. Anything above this 855?
The LTC Sakasa.
Take profits on low ticks. Boom, 21 points in 2 seconds. How many took that trade? Spoke tape reading. Good job, Paul. Oh, you guys are tape readers now. Woo! Love it. 2 for 2 in the last minute. Now I'm done for the morning.
Yeah, right. You're not done for the morning.
Yeah, we're getting a little of the dragon snout.
Yeah,
and the ticks are in a nice range. So
nice job, Fish.
Great job, Fish. Great job, Bill. Great job, Heather. And you go.
Guys, good job, you go.
1030 reversal coming up.
So what's it going to do? Reverse and go short again?
Oh, man. I don't know. I just went to the sim now.
Reverse.
Should I go back to cash? Here we go. Maybe one more.
No, stay in sim. It's fine. I'll stay in cash.
All right. You stay cash. I'll stay sim.
Perfect.
I've had a good morning. I hope everybody has had a good morning with us. Still short from 55, Tony K. Good job, Tony. Just keep your stops now because this thing can blast right back up. It's in a wild trading range, and that's why they're doing the quad witching. So tighten up your stop severely.
So when they do this quad witching thing, is it like Times Square for witches, steak or something?
Yeah, absolutely.
I'm just acting completely dumb today. I know that, guys. Most of you know that I know more than that, but comic relief hour for me.
Yeah.
Mood. Made a ton of money this week, so just happy and getting ready for the beach.
Yeah. See Tony K, how quickly it bounces right back up there. If you didn't take those 21 points and all that, yeah, you know these are scalp trades. Think of it as a pit where it's just bouncing back and forth. And you know the trader who sits and goes, "Oh, I'm going to make 100 points now," is going to be disappointed. So we want you to do the right thing. It's a scalping setup now, principally trading with the tick indicator. That's it. If you're going to do it, just trade the tick indicator, disregard everything else. That's why for most people who are like rubbing their hands and say, "Oh, I saw these coaches making tons of money. Now it's my turn." Now they're going to get their teeth knocked in because the market has an upward bias right now. It's pushing a little bit higher into the short covering. Remember, people were short overnight. They're still up 200 points, but they don't want to be only up 100 points. So they don't want the market to go up another 100. So they're getting out a little bit. That's what's causing this rally. So that's why for me to go in and take 20 points on a trade, that's all I wanted to do. I did it twice. I am happy with it. You know, if you trade the ticks here, this is tape reading. Hard to do. We had a course on it. We had a class on it on Wednesday. And a few of you got something out of it, but it's hard, right? How many of you got something out of the class I did Wednesday night on tape reading?
Good old elite class.
Yeah, that was recorded.
Yeah, we're working on some audio issues, fixing that with it, but it will be uploaded for the elite members and mentorship people soon.
Mm-hmm. Now remember, the evening session when we're doing it is not tape reading Nirvana. Now it's tape reading Nirvana. Then it was used as an explanatory situation to explain the concept of tape reading. Because remember, you don't have ticks at night. But you still have time in sales. You always have time in sales. Explanatory, inflationary.
Planetaryism.
Planetary explanation. It's actually a mini buy here at the bottom here, right, guys? It's like a low tick read, short, cover, reverse, and go up. Now, any longs would be counter trend, people. Any long trades would be counter trend. Looking for a long setup here, right here. Low ticks. Low ticks. Looking to go long. Watching this flush out here on the bottom as stochastics are driving down. As soon as it hooks up, boom. There you go, 72 target. Anybody get it? That was a long trade. That was counter trend. But you can see the order flow turning upward. Good job.
Welcome to Liberty Trading Club, everyone. Hope you enjoyed the live stream this morning. If you're interested in learning and trading with us more, visit libertytradingclub.com and sign up for your free 3-day trial. During your trial, you'll have access to our trade room and participate in live chat where you can ask questions with the coaches as well as take our live trade calls. And after your trial, it's only $99 a month to have trade room access. And when you upgrade to trade room access, you also unlock our trading training videos where you'll learn our trading methodology and setups. And please like, subscribe, and share.
We're cheaper than the Wharton School of Business, though. Still maintaining our value for the masses. Let's put it this way. The application at the Wharton School of Business to apply to them costs more than being in the room here and learning how to make double. You know what the average Wharton graduate makes, guys? The average Wharton School graduate makes about $150,000 a year start, and that's $72 an hour. Our average clients who get this are starting from $150 to $300 an hour. That's great, Hugo. Hugo, great job.
Great job, Hugo. Don't know what it's for.
Chanel, fantastic job.
Ah, Chanel, great.
Sent you a message, Chanel. That was a great job. I think it's fantastic. I am done right now. I'm definitely done. Take care, Craig. Have a great weekend. if you notice now, guys, the momentum is up, and you see the slanting moving averages going up now, right? It's sort of misleading, right? Everybody's thinking short, 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 and it's like, oh, wait a minute, hold on a second. The short-term trend is moving up, but why should the market? It may come down later, but this is not later. This is now. So that's why I don't want to get trapped into got to short every single rally. The trend is still officially down because we're way below the daily pivot. The 60-minute trend is down. This is the time people lose money, right? Because the market's creeping up and yet the trends are down. So unlike earlier, where all the longs were just bailing out, after they bailed out, bargain hunters came in and the quad-witching hedgers came in to start buying. And of course, the Crable is long. Everything's moving up right now. And unless you're trading that tick indicator, I wouldn't trade. Simple as that. Is everyone still green? Not giving your money back? Please don't give your money back to. Okay, good, Heather. Yeah, resist the urge. It's tempting. We all want it. Another 10-point winner, I'll make $50 or whatever. Stop. Randy, you're still green, right, Randy? I'm looking for those people that slowly turn and then they get overconfident.
Stop, collaborate, and listen. LTC is back with a brand new invention. The Sakasa trade.
The Sakasa, yeah. It's Japanese for turnaround.
Yeah, treated as such, Heather. Good job.
Oh, absolutely, Heather, right? At American Airlines, when pilots are on a simulator, they don't say, let me see if I could do it the Denzel Washington upside down approach to Kennedy Airport. 4 right. That'll be fun. You lose your license. I mean, you'd be fired. So it's real. Yep, I don't like losing, people. I don't like losing money. I may be calm and say, all right, we'll get another one, but I don't like it. I'd rather be playing cucaracha than saying, all right, wait, you got to be disciplined, take your stop, get out, go to cash. Yeah. We got to, you remember Calvin, right, Bill, was in my room? He was with American, still is, I think. He flies out of Dallas. Calvin, not Calvin Hobbs, Calvin. I got to get him because he can get to, he flies to Dallas, Miami, or